Hello dear students, welcome to my next session on the interesting integer questions which they have asked in this year JEE Mains Chemistry April 6th afternoon session. Two interesting questions I would like to give in this video. The first one is from the colligative property, the depression and freezing point, and the second one is from the chemical kinetics, that ratio of the time intervals taken for two different half reactions which they have provided is half lives of that reactions they have provided. Let us see that first question, that is when x into 10 power minus 2 ml of methanol is added to 100 ml of water, the following diagram is obtained with that kf value given in the question, and in this x is the number you have to calculate, integer, nearest integer, using this graph. Seeing this graph, what you understand is this is the solution curve, this is the solvent curve, and the solvent curve is showing that freezing point is 273.15. Freezing point reduced once the solution is prepared 270.65. So these differences, if you calculate, the difference will become equals to TF is equals to 273.15 minus 270.65, which is exactly equals to 2.5 kelvins. So what is this 2.5 kelvins is nothing but 2.5 kelvins is the depression and freezing point. Okay, let it be. But what we understand is it is 2.5, which is equals to kf into molality. So kf value given the question is 1.86. Molality means number of moles by the weight of solvent into 1000. Weight of solvent in the question is 100 ml given. 100 ml density of what is 1 gram means 100 ml becomes 100 grams. So 1000 by 100 is 0.1. Upon simplification, n is equals to 0.25 by 1.86 will come, and this if you do exact number of simplification and all, you will get 0.1344, like that it will get. This is number of moles of methanol. So then what is mass of methanol? What is mass of methanol? That is equals to its number of moles is 0.344 into its molar mass given in the question is 32. And if you do this simplification, you will get that value very close to, I have calculated that number, that value close to 4.3 grams. 4.3 grams given. But still we need to just find the x value, means x value is the volume of x in 10 power minus 2 is volume of methanol. That volume is going to be calculated when we have densities there. So mass by density, mass is 4.3, density of methanol in the question given is 0.792 now. So this if you do exactly, I got 5.43 ml. But here question given x in 10 power minus 2, that I can write it as 543 into 10 power minus 2. It means x into 10 power minus 2 is 543. Therefore, what is x? 543 is the x value. See how interestingly that question they are given, means there is a graph given. From the graphs you need to calculate delta TF, thereby we have to find the number of moles of methanol. After number of moles calculation, finding the mass of methanol, using this mass of methanol finding the volume of methanol, and comparing the value you got is with x in 10 power minus 2, finding x value. So this is what most interlinked topic, the numerical based question asked in this year from solution chapter. Okay, take down this answer. Shall we move to the next question? Okay, we'll move to the next question. We have a small space is there, that's why I'll write the solution here. Yes, see the next question, that is, consider the two different first order reactions given below. A plus B gives rise to C, reaction 1. P gives rise to Q, reaction 2. The ratio of half-life of reaction 1 and reaction 2 is 5:2. If T1 and T2, T1 comma T2 are represent the time taken to complete 2/3 and 4 by 5 of reaction 1 and 2 respectively. Then value of the ratio T1 is to T2 is dash into 10 power minus 1. So in this blank, what is the integer is there that we have to calculate, taking the help of log 3 value, log 5 value. Log 3 value provided is 0.477, log 5 value provided is 0.699. Okay, let us understand what is exactly half-life period relation with rate constants. Before doing this problem, we should know what is the rate constant. Rate constant of first reaction, if you take K1, that is equals to 2.303 by T1 into log. Initial, whatever the value is there, 100% means 1 by 1 minus, what is the amount of reaction completed is 2 by 3. So that we will write here 2 by 3. So 1 by 1 minus 2 by 3. This will become 3 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. 1 by 1 by 3. So what is 1 by 1 by 3 means? It is 2.303 by T1 into log 3 will come. Okay, let it be. Next, what is K2? K2 for the second reaction, P gives us to Q. K2 if you calculate, it will be 2.303 by T2 into log 1 by 1 minus, the reaction is complete. 4/3 of the reaction is completed means 4 by 5 we can write. Here 1 what we are writing is 100% and 4 by 100% is 1. 4 by 5 is similar to our x. So what is the base equation we have? That is log a by a minus x. Using that only we are doing this all. This is equals to 5 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. So 1 by 1 by 5 is 5. So that is answer is 2.303 by T2 into log 5. And one more relation we know, but we know that one relation, half-life is inversely proportional to rate constant for the first order reaction. Okay, then what is T1, what is the T half of like first reaction divided by T half of second reaction, that is equals to, yes, K2 by K1. Actually this value in the problem they have provided the ratio of the half-lives 5 by 2, 5 is to 2. So this is how much? 5 by 2. That is the meaning. So let it be. Using this one we can calculate one more thing. Already we have K2 is there, K1 is there. What is K2? K2 is equals to 2.303 by T2 into log 5. This is all K2 divided by what is K1? K1 is 2.303 by T1 into log 3. So 2.303, 2.303 got cancelled and this remains as 5 by 2. So what will come here is nothing but T1 by T2. T1 by T2. So now what we got here is T1 by T2 into, yes, log 5. Log 5 I will write the answer. Log 5 given in the question is 0.699 and log 3 answer I know that is 477 here given in the problem, which is equals to 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. So 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Now the aim of the problem is the ratio of T1 and T2. Ratio T1 is to T2. So I will write T1 by T2, that is equals to 5 by 2 into 0.477 divided by 0.699. After whatever the simplification is completed, I've got this is very close to answer. This is 0.5, this is 0.7. If you take like that, 5 into 0.5 is 2.5 and 2 into 0.7 is 1.4. So 2.5 by 1.4 means 25 by 14. That came very close to your answer. 1.7 answer came. 1.7 came approximately. So that means what is the ratio of T1 is to T2 we got is 1.7. That 1.7 we can write it as 17 into 10 power minus 1. It means what is this 17 is there, that is the nearest integer which we want to find in this problem. So nearest integer is how much? 17 for the ratio of the time taken for the reaction 1 and reaction 2. This is quite interesting question asked in this year from chemical kinetics. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session with some more interesting questions, selected interesting questions asked in JEE mains with another video. Until you have a nice day. Thank you very much. Do subscribe my channel and share my channel link to anybody who is interested to watch this type of interesting questions for the coming examinations also. Thank you very much.